In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold on Interactive Brokers. Now, currently I'm here on IBKR desktop, and you want to go to the very top left and you want to click on search, and then you want to type in gold. And then over here, of course, you can select the gold you want to buy. Usually you can go inside commodities over here and you can see it. And of course, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to do this. So whenever you've selected the gold you want to buy, you can just click on it and it's going to pop up on your chart over here. And then you can see your buy orders over here. You can just click on the buy order. Here you can select your quantity. So of course that's completely up to you. You can do a limit or a market order, whatever you want. And then here you have the limit price in case you selected your limit order. And you can also see the time in force. You can select the one you want. And then here you also have attach orders where you can basically put on take profits and stop losses if you wanna. And then you can just preview the order. You could also go ahead and see kind of the advanced things and the advanced features of the buy order over here. I'm just gonna click on submit buy order here, and as you can see, this is kind of your order confirmation. Whenever you're ready, you can just go ahead and click on transmit, and there we go. It's going to basically submit your order. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.